Are you tired of worrying about unpredictable hailstorms ruining your car's pristine finish? Discover the ultimate shield against nature's wrath with our guide to the best car cover for hail. In this video, we unveil top-rated car covers specifically designed to withstand the harshest hail damage, ensuring your vehicle remains untarnished and protected. Say goodbye to expensive repairs and hello to peace of mind. Join us as we explore innovative materials, expert reviews, and essential tips that will transform how you protect your car. Don't let hail take a toll on your investment. Watch till the end for exclusive discounts and insider secrets to fighting off those pesky hailstones. Your car deserves the best protection, and we've got you covered. Number 7. Migaven Car Cover is your ultimate solution for those seeking all-weather protection and convenience. Custom fit for Toyota Corolla 2000 to 2025 and Honda Civic Sedan/Coupe 1991 to 2025. This cover brilliantly shields your vehicle from rain, sun, hail, and more. Made with high-quality polyester taffeta, it boasts a 100% waterproof design and effectively blocks 99.95% of harmful UV rays, ensuring that your car's paint remains pristine. This lightweight yet durable car cover is equipped with wind-resistant features, including adjustable straps to secure it against strong gusts, and a convenient zipper for easy access to your vehicle without removal. Plus, reflective stripes enhance nighttime visibility for added safety. The Migaven Car Cover isn't just practical. It comes with a handy storage bag, making it easy to fold and stow away. Perfect for all seasons, is indeed the best car cover for hail protection on the market. Transform your car's outdoor experience today with Migaven. Number 6. Seazen 2 Layers SUV Car Cover is the ultimate solution to protect your vehicle from all weather conditions, making it the best car cover for hail. Crafted from durable 210T fabric, this waterproof cover withstands heavy rain, intense UV rays, and even snow, ensuring your vehicle remains in pristine condition year-round. Featuring a convenient driver door zipper for easy access, the double windproof design with elastic bands and straps keeps the cover secure against strong winds. The 6 reflective stripes enhance nighttime visibility, while side mirror covers provide a snug fit for your SUV, with compatibility for various models up to 190 inches, including popular brands like Nissan, Toyota, and Honda. This cover offers comprehensive protection. Plus, it comes with a free storage bag for hassle-free storage. Quick to clean and easy to maintain. The Seazen Car Cover guarantees satisfaction with a 12-month warranty, making it an impressive choice for any car owner looking to shield their vehicle from the elements. Number 5. Tucarest 6 Layers Full Car Cover for SUV is the ultimate choice for those seeking comprehensive protection for their vehicles. Measuring up to 208 inches, this all-weather cover is perfect for SUVs and MPVs, expertly defending against the ravages of rain, snow, UV rays, and debris. Constructed from high-density spunlace cotton and durable Oxford cloth, it not only ensures a soft touch that won't harm your paint, but also features an impressive 99% ultraviolet light protection. With innovative design elements like windproof ropes, reflective strips for nighttime visibility, and convenient zipper access, the Tucarest cover guarantees practicality without compromising on protection, whether combating hail or shielding your car from a scorching sun. This thickened cover has you covered year-round, ideal for anyone looking for the best car cover for hail. The Tucarest 6 Layers Full Car Cover combines functionality with durability, ensuring your vehicle remains pristine and protected in any weather. Don't settle for less. Secure your investment today. Number 3. Tecoom SUV Car Cover is the ultimate solution for all-weather protection. Designed specifically for vehicle owners who want to safeguard their SUVs from harsh environmental conditions. Made from premium 190T polyester with a protective PU coating, this cover is waterproof, tear-resistant, and provides excellent UV protection. The innovative design features a left cab door zipper for easy access and 3 windproof straps to keep the cover securely in place. Even during strong winds, its comprehensive coverage ensures your vehicle stays protected year-round. effectively shielding it from snow, frost, rain, dust, and hail. The tailored mirror pockets and large reflective stripes enhance visibility and fit, making it suitable for various SUV models, including Land Rover, Tesla, Cadillac, and more. Plus, with a convenient storage bag and a 12-month warranty, Tecoom guarantees satisfaction. If you're searching for the best car cover for hail, look no further than the Tecoom SUV Car Cover, your vehicle's personal mobile garage. Number 3. Tecoom SUV Car Cover is the ultimate solution for all weather protection. Designed specifically for vehicle owners who want to safeguard their SUVs from harsh environmental conditions. Made from premium 190T polyester with a protective PU coating, this cover is waterproof, tear-resistant, and provides excellent UV protection. The innovative design features a left cab door zipper for easy access and 3 windproof straps to keep the cover securely in place. Even during strong winds, its comprehensive coverage ensures your vehicle stays protected year-round, effectively shielding it from snow, frost, rain, dust, and hail. The tailored mirror pockets and large reflective stripes enhance visibility and fit, making it suitable for various SUV models, including Land Rover, Tesla, Cadillac, and more. Plus, with a convenient storage bag and a 12-month warranty, Tecoom guarantees satisfaction. If you're searching for the best car cover for hail, look no further than the Tecoom SUV Car Cover, your vehicle's personal mobile garage. Number 2. Pulaim Anti-Hail Car Cover is the ultimate solution for car owners seeking top-notch protection against extreme weather conditions. With an impressive size of 190 inches by 70 inches by 47 inches, it fits most Class A sedans perfectly. This heavy-duty cover features a robust 6-layer design that cushions your vehicle against hail, making it the best car cover for hail on the market. Crafted from durable 150D Oxford cloth, the Pulaim cover is not only waterproof but also shields your car from dust and UV rays, preserving its exterior and interior. The reflective silver surface minimizes UV damage while enhancing visibility, thanks to strategically placed triangular reflective strips that keep your car safe in low-light situations. Moreover, ventilation holes on both sides ensure airflow, preventing moisture buildup. The reinforced straps keep the cover secure, no matter how windy it gets. Plus, its compact storage bag makes transportation a breeze. Invest in the Pulaim Anti-Hail Car Cover and experience peace of mind knowing your vehicle is safeguarded against any weather challenges. Number 1. Warsun Airtight Hail Car Cover is your ultimate solution. This impressive cover features a robust multi-layer design, including a 420D Oxford cloth outer layer for hail resistance, a thickened PVC airbag for superior shock absorption, and a soft polyester bottom layer to protect your car's paint. The high-quality real PVC airbag offers long-lasting cushioning, requiring minimal maintenance with no frequent reinflation, making it perfect for extreme weather conditions. This humanized design ensures complete vehicle coverage with elastic hems for a snug fit and reflective strips for safety during nighttime. With the ability to fit vehicles between 166 to 198 inches, including popular models like Toyota and Honda, it's versatile and easy to use. Plus, it's compact enough to store in your trunk when not in use. Investing in the Warsun Car Cover means protecting your vehicle and saving on costly repairs due to hail damage. Don't compromise on your car's safety. Trust Warsun for unbeatable hail protection. In conclusion, choosing the best car cover for hail protection is essential to safeguard your vehicle from unforeseen weather conditions. Consider factors like material durability, size, and ease of use to ensure optimal safety. By investing in the right car cover, you can preserve your car's appearance and value for years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.